Alright guys, this is the inside of my 2005 Sequoia, all torn up. Plenty of videos on how to take all this stuff apart, but I just wanted to show a couple ideas that I have for this thing to make it sparkle and new. Here's the console, and I always thought it would be cool. You got these little blanks here you can just pop right out when you have this thing out. I thought, you know what, it'd be cool to have this be more modern, and this is like the perfect spot to put for the new head unit that I'm going to put in this thing, to put one of those wires, the USB ports that integrates into the head unit. What a perfect spot, just like a modern vehicle. So what I'm going to do is, bought that off of Amazon, of course. I can put a link in. If you look real close, you can kind of see a square inside of the square. And I believe I measured that, and it should fit right inside that little square. So anyway, I'm going to start by drilling a hole through the center, and then I'm going to ream that all out. And that should snap in there. So anyway, I'll be back. So as you can see, I drilled a little hole through the center. That's my starting point. And now I'll use a Dremel to kind of ream that out. Okay guys, so I kind of ream that. Hey, that looks kind of cool, doesn't it? Woo! Kind of ream that out. It doesn't have to look pretty. Now we'll just kind of test it here to see how close we are. So I'm going to slide the wire in through there for the new USB port. It's getting close. Yeah, it fits pretty. It's going to be nice. It'll snap right in there. But got to do a little more work on it. So I'll be back. Alright gang, here it is, all kind of reamed out. There's some little I guess vertical pieces of plastic, kind of like this, except on the inside, that you got to grind out, or else it's not gonna. Otherwise, it's not gonna fit. I mean, you can see it. I mean, it ain't pretty, but it doesn't need to be pretty. It just needs to work. So let's go ahead and test it out here. So you can see that slides in, like that, and then you got these two little tabs here. Just push those in and snap it down into place. That fits nice and snug. That's nice and tight. Look at that. That looks beautiful. And now that's going to just pop into our console, and we've got a a perfect USB port. No one is the wiser that it wasn't even just built that way.